Welcome everyone, you've upgraded to iOS 16, let's use Apple Pay. So first of all, if you came from iOS 15, everything should be good to go, the double click should be working, but if you haven't set up Apple Pay before, let's get into it. So first of all, you want to open up the Wallet app. If you don't have this app on your iPhone, it's a free download from the App Store. You're then going to tap on the plus and give this a couple of seconds to load. So from here, you see Add to Wallet. So you have the option to add a travel card, debit or credit card, or previous cards. So if you used Apple Wallet in the past, your previous cards will be saved, okay? So if I tap into this one, and I go to previous cards, boom, my card is right here. If you don't have the previous cards option, tap on debit or credit card, okay? Tap on continue, either scan the cards, or if that is having issues, tap on enter card details manually. I'm going to use my previous card here. I'm going to tap on continue. It will ask for Face ID, Touch ID or passcode. It's now going to ask for my security code. So I'm just do that right now. Now we see here card verification. So you can either have a text message sent to your phone or call the bank itself to get it verified. I'm going to tap on next. I now see card verification. So I'm going to check my iPhone here and I can see I have the activation code right here, so it's 628631. For you, it will be different, okay? Just keep that in mind. We'll give this a couple of seconds, and now you can see my card is ready for the Apple Pay, okay? So once that is done, we can already leave this page because, the card's added, and you can see card activated. I'll just tap on done. So from here, let's go to lock screen. If we double click the side button on an iPhone without a home button, or double click the home button on an iPhone with a home button, it will ask for the Face ID or passcode, okay? And once that information is added, you're going to see here, hold near reader. You just place your device near the reader and you'll be good to go. On top of this, if you open up settings and then find where it says Wallet and Apple Pay, you can add more cards here directly. Make sure double click side button is on, but it should be on by default. And you can change the default card, shipping address, and all of that information here as well. With that being said, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.